Hi everyone, this is a girl Zama. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm back again, guys, with another video. In today's video, we are doing a Ben and Betty. Ben and Betty. Other people, they call it African threading. It's a simple protective hairstyle, guys. So yeah, just stay tuned and see what I'm going to do here. What I can say about this Ben and Betty hairstyle is that I think it's a good hairstyle for people with natural kinky hair, because Mauni natural hair, guys, your natural hair is very painful. Kinky natural hair, guys, is very painful, especially after washing your hair to dry it, guys. It's stress. My face is stress. So I think Ben and Betty will do, because it will make your hair soft and it will straighten your hair. That's what I can say in Ben and Betty. So yeah, just stay tuned, guys, and watch this video. I hope you like it. I hope you love it, guys. So to all those who are returning subscribers, guys, thank you so much. I really appreciate. I'm so grateful, guys. Very, very, very grateful. And to all those who are new, welcome to the family. I hope, guys, you stay. I hope, guys, we enjoy watching my videos. So yeah, that's me here. That's a girl here doing it Ben and Betty, guys. So what I can say, don't make it too tight. Just make sure you loosen it up. Don't kill yourself, ne? Just make it loose. Don't make it tight, because if it's too tight, you have headache and you break your hair. So just take your time, guys, as long as you're comfortable, ne? Yeah. And then make sure your stitch is very neat and nice, ne? As you can see, guys, my finger is moving slowly because I want my stitch to look nice and neat. Can you see that, guys? Just take a look, guys. You see what I'm talking about? My stitch is very neat and nice. It's very close to each other. I did not leave big gaps here. So yeah, that's what I'm talking about. So just take your time, and then you will love what you do. So yeah, guys, Ben and Betty, it's a bomb, buffet. Ben and Betty, it's a bomb. Uyabangena with your Ben and Betty, guys, under your wig. Uyabangena. And what I like with this Ben and Betty, to make your hair grow, guys, like it stretches your hair and your hair grows fast. Serious, I don't wanna lie, it makes your hair grow fast. I'm telling you, as long as you're moisturizing your hair, you're oiling your hair, and then you wear your wig on top, I'm telling you, this one, it's a bomb, guys. Because Ben and Betty, I like this one, guys, and it's very easy. So that's why I like it. So yeah, guys, let me just leave you to watch and enjoy this video. Let me not talk too much, so that you enjoy watching this video, guys. Yeah.